Who makes Sapphire Sleep Mattress? If you're in the market for a new mattress and you've come across Sapphire Sleep, you might be wondering who is behind these comfortable and innovative beds. Let's break it down. Sapphire Sleep mattresses are made by a company that is part of Retail Service Systems Incorporated. This company filed for the trademark Sapphire Sleep back in March 2018, and it was officially registered in December 2019. Sapphire Sleep specializes in producing high-quality mattresses, including memory foam and hybrid models. Their product lineup includes various thicknesses, such as the 10-inch Restore, 12-inch Restore, and even a 14-inch Cool Phase Split King mattress. Each of these mattresses is designed with specific features like gel-infused foam, ridge foam, and air channel base foam to ensure cooling and support. The company takes pride in the craftsmanship and materials used in their mattresses. For instance, the 10-inch Restore by Sapphire Sleep features gel-infused air foam and ridge foam, which are designed to promote breathability and balance comfort with support. These mattresses are also compatible with adjustable bases, which can be purchased separately. Sapphire Sleep also offers a robust warranty for their mattresses. They provide a 20-year warranty, with the first 10 years being a full warranty and the next 10 years being prorated. This warranty covers defects in workmanship and materials, ensuring that customers have peace of mind with their purchase. In summary, Sapphire Sleep mattresses are made by Retail Service Systems Incorporated, a company dedicated to creating comfortable, supportive, and cooling mattresses with a strong focus on quality and customer satisfaction.